asked and I answered. Today I'm answering some of the most frequently asked questions I receive on cloth diapering. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Ooh, y'all, we're in December, right? Yeah, we are in December and very quickly approaching the end of the year. We've accomplished so much on this channel since October, and now I think is a good time to put a quarter in the meter, park it, and answer some of the questions you have asked me. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Hopefully I get one that I know the answer to. This question says, what is your favorite style of cloth diaper? Ooh, this is a hard one because I can definitely identify the easiest style of cloth diaper. That's easy, the all-in-one. But my favorite cloth diapering style, I think, is going to be covers and fitteds. I know, that's a little crazy, but that style of cloth diaper has literally stolen my heart. I did not think I was going to like it. It's a little bit more old school. It's definitely what my mom was thinking when she first proposed the idea of cloth diapering to me, but it has really become one of my favorites. You don't have as many leaks or accidents with these diapers. They are easy to use. They do take an extra step with using a snappy or some kind of closure plus a cover, but I think all that compels in comparison to how they hold up, the life of the diaper over time, the quality you get from them if you use them on multiple babies. It's really a good diaper, and the covers still allow you to flex your personality with cool prints or whatever you like to do on the cover of the diaper. All right, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it on. Let's see. Y'all like my pink and green paper? This next question says, I'm thinking of diapering multiple babies. What's your best suggestion? Ooh, girl, you about to save you some monies. First of all, cloth diapering multiple babies is going to save you a ton of money. On average, you can save $2,000 to $3,000 diapering one baby. And if you are able to use that same stash of diapers on a second baby, ooh, child, you just put some coins back in your pocket. So I can think of two things off the top of my head. The first one is to figure out the style of diaper that you like with your first baby. You want to make sure that you figure out what style of diaper you like. If you like all-in-one diapers and that was a perfect fit for you, great, but maybe there's another brand that you want to try. Try to give yourself some space when you have baby number one to really figure out and hone in on what it is you like. Maybe you figured out that I have a thicker baby, so the leg gussets don't fit as securely, or I'm having leaks because of that. Figure those things out in baby number one. It'll definitely benefit you with baby number two. My second suggestion, choose prints and colors that are neutral. So for my son, I actually had a whole lot of green diapers. I had a whole lot of grays, multiple color greens, you know, like the sages all the way to kind of lime greeny. Like I had a lot of green colored diapers in my stash, yellows. So those neutral colors that are fun, that can go both ways. So you won't feel any kind of way when baby comes and maybe baby is the opposite gender of what you've had the first time, and you still feel comfortable using those same diapers on baby number 2, 3, or 4, or whatever. Shake, 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 shake it. Okay, from my wash day video, someone asked, I don't want to put my hand in the toilet. Can I thoroughly rinse them in the tub? Yes, yes you can. My husband kind of spilled the beans a few videos ago, but sometimes we have been guilty of letting poop sit a little bit longer than is savory or easy to rinse out in the toilet. And if we have done that, and especially if I have multiple poop diapers to rinse, what I usually do is lay them out in my bathtub, line them up in a row. My diaper sprayer is close enough to my toilet where I can just spray them that way, and my hands never go in a toilet. Now, you do need to be comfortable with still like wringing them out, or even better, thinking on the fly, wear some gloves. Like if you don't want to touch poop, don't touch poop. I mean, there are other ways to work around it. You know, those long rubber gloves that you wear for maybe washing dishes? use them in this case as well. You can definitely go to your tub and spray out the diapers and figure out a method that works for you. If you think the toilet is gross, no problem. There's solutions. All right, next question, guys. Tell me about mildew. Okay. I thought for a long time that I had never had mildew on my diapers, but I have recently learned that I did. Mildew on cloth diapers shows up as a light pink diaper rash. That's what it looks like. It's just these light pink speckles on your diaper. My diaper pail never smelled like mildew, but maybe because I could only smell like the pee ammonia smell coming from my diaper pail when we opened it. Mildew, and I'll even stretch and go mold and bacteria. All of those things can be remedied on cloth diapers. What you have to do is strip your diaper. Stripping a diaper is the process that we go through of deep cleaning the diaper, getting all the gunk, all the pee, all the ammonia, all the mold, all the mildew, all the bacteria out of the diaper so you know that you have a fresh, clean diaper. So, the natural question is, how do we do that? The way you'll strip your diaper is by washing it multiple times and using bleach to kill all the bacteria. I have seen some moms use Dawn. I'm talking about the dish soap here. It's blue, the original one. And sometimes they do several washes using Dawn in their washing machine. Dawn's claim to fame is stripping out grease and removing grime and dirt. So some moms do use Dawn in their washing machine to kind of get all the gook and grime out, and then follow up with bleach washes. And this is where you're washing them normally with like Tide or Gain, whatever you choose to use, but adding bleach to your wash cycle. As a general matter, of course, I recommend that you bleach your diapers at least once a month. That's what I did. And you don't really have to worry about bleach. I know bleach is always a scary word, but the covers, like all-in-one covers, are color fast. The dye stays. So you don't have to worry about messing up your diapers. I don't put bleach directly into the drum of my washing machine, but I do put it in the compartment that is suited for bleach. And I have never had any problems with fading, bleaching, or ruining my diapers due to using bleach. I also make sure that I use an ample amount of hot water. I do extra rinse cycles, and all of these things in your matter of course washing will help to reduce mildew over the long run. As a quick recap, stripping your diaper consists of washing your diapers more frequently, using bleach, and letting them air dry thoroughly. Now, just some little tips about preventing mildew. If you find that your diapers are starting to mildew, you want to wash them more frequently. I've gotten to a point, y'all know, that I wash my diapers once a week, but if you're getting mildew washing once a week, you might need to wash twice a week. Wash in a frequency that doesn't allow your diapers to sit and get mold and bacteria. Another thing that's interesting is that a lot of cloth diapering manufacturers are now making diapers with this in mind. They're making diapers with fabrics that are antimicrobial, and it helps to reduce gunk, bacteria, mold, mildew from growing on your diapers. If that's important to you, look for that as a feature on the cloth diapering brand that you purchase. Okay guys, this is gonna be our last question. This one says, how many cloth diapers do I need? So I'm going to answer this question by posing a question back to you. How often do you want to wash? That's really the question, because the amount of diapers you have in your stash coincides directly with how often you'll be washing. You have to remember and keep in mind that small babies, the teeny tiny infants that we bring home, that we start cloth diapering when? 2 weeks after birth. That's right, y'all been watching. I'm so proud. You have to remember that those little babies use about 10 to 12 diapers a day. So if you want to make sure that you have some flexibility in your stash, you want to make sure that you buy enough diapers to get through whatever time period that looks like for you. For example, for me, my goal when I was building my stash for my son was 30 diapers, and that allowed me to wash every other day, and that worked for us. But if you don't want to wash as frequently, you should build your stash bigger. If I was talking to my newbie cloth diapering self, I would tell myself that a range of 30 to 50 diapers is plenty. And the closer you get to 50, the longer you get to go between wash days. But I also think going over 50 diapers is superfluous. I don't think there's a need to it, and probably some waste when you start thinking about the money you can save on cloth diapering. If you have the resources to invest in a bigger stash, girlfriend, by all means do it. Whatever works best for you, go after it, homegirl. those are all the questions that I have time for today, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for writing questions. Some people text me and send me questions after they watch my videos. Some people put questions down below in comments, and I really appreciate it. And I want to encourage you watching this video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know that you're watching. As always, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know when I upload a new video every Thursday. And head over to clothcuties.com where there's more info to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye, guys.